Ang sabi, Baguio. Try lang natin mag-digital nomad life. Bakit 6 months na tayo sa Boracay? Buti na lang work from home tayo pareho. Tapos si Bran, online classes lang. Lunch break ko sa ilalim ng dagat. Hello clients!
I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and
Bawat gabi, parang night out. A never-ending vacation. Spent Christmas and New Year's, birthdays, and our everyday became a daily celebration of life. We witnessed how Bran conquered his fear of the water and learned to snorkel without a life vest. Na-experience din natin ang bagyuhin sa isla. Nakakatakot pala. We were marked safe though. Then we toured the whole of Panay Island, from Aklan, Antique, Iloilo, Rojas, and then back to Boracay. Ang dami nating napuntahan. And as if 6 months in Boracay was not enough, we flew to Palawan to spend 1 month in El Nido and another month in Coron. By the end of this, we were basically islanders ourselves with our over-tanned skin and walking barefoot. I wish the long vacation never ended. Those were the best days of our lives. Kaso, as the world normalized from the pandemic, Bran had to do face-to-face classes na, and my return to work order na sa work. And to be honest, magastos na rin. As we go back to reality, travel became a core necessity of our lives. Hindi naman totally nawala, nabawasan lang. So what's next? Edit travel ulit? Because it is what keeps us sane. It's our breather from the corporate world. Pero i-record na natin lahat ng travels natin. To document every moment for us and to inspire others to travel. Because in the end, life isn't measured by the days we worked, but by the journeys we took, the bond we strengthened, and the memories we kept. Eto na nga, nagpapak na for the next one. Ready na ang camera. One story, one adventure, one memory at a time.
to walk beside your